Okay guys, good morning. We're ready to part 2 of your adjective review. So you should be looking at page 171 in your Easy Grammar book. The sections that you're going to do today deal with descriptive adjectives, predicate adjectives, and proper adjectives. So let's just go through each one, and then I'll tell you how to do it, and then you go ahead and do it, and then you'll be done for the day. Remember, just do one page a day, just so you can remember everything, and helps. It's a lot easier doing it that way. So for letter C, you're going to write 3 descriptive adjectives for each noun. So descriptive adjectives could be color, could be size, could be how many. Just some way you would describe the word ball, like red ball, blue ball, pink ball, room, big room, small room, woman, tall woman, short woman, pretty woman, and then day, cloudy, sunny, quick, slow, kind of like the month of April. Try not to use the ones I've given you, but you're just writing at least 3 descriptive words for each one of those. Okay, now letter D is predicate adjectives. And we went over these week before spring break, and in case they've flown out of your mind, because there's been a week, you want to look at page 161 for predicate adjectives. So you want to look back in your Easy Grammar book at page 161, and that's the lesson, that tells you all about predicate adjectives. Remember, predicate adjective comes after your verb, always describes your subject, and it always comes after a linking verb. And number 3 on page 161 lists all the linking verbs for you, in case you don't remember. And remember, the test, go over the test, the 3 tests on number 5. Is there a linking verb? Well, if it's one of these, then you can say yes. Does the adjective, the descriptive word, occur after the verb? If it looks like the sentence like your eyes are blue, that would be a yes. And does the adjective describe your subject? And if I can say blue eyes, flat cake, sour milk, if all those work, then it would be yes. Then that would be a predicate adjective. So what you're going to do over here is similar to what you do in your exercises. You're going to underline your predicate adjective. Make sure you make your underlines dark so I can see them. And you're going, hold on just a second. I skipped over an exercise. Okay, predicate adjectives in part D. I didn't think that sounded right. Okay, for letter D, you're going to cross out any prepositional phrases first. Then you're going to underline your subject once and your verb or verb phrase twice. Label any predicate adjective PA, and on the line, you're going to write the predicate adjective and the noun that it modifies. So let's say your sentence was your eyes are blue. On that line next to this sentence, if this was on the exercise, it would be blue eyes in that blank. Same idea over here. You write flat cake, sour milk. Okay, so that's what you would write on these lines right here. Now let's go over exercise E. Sorry about that. Okay, for exercise E, it's proper adjectives. So if you don't remember proper adjectives, what you want to do is turn to page 158. 158 to remind you about proper adjectives. Now, when I was grading the exercise that y'all completed on this, I know several of y'all did not capitalize your proper adjectives, so make sure you do that. I don't want you to lose points because of this. Anything that's proper, like a proper noun, proper adjectives are always capitalized. So always capitalize your proper adjectives. For example, proper noun is Switzerland, proper adjective is Swiss. Again, capitalized because it comes from a proper noun. Mexico, Mexican, capitalized. China, Chinese, capitalized. And then this goes over some proper adjectives that do not change form, like Phoenix, Phoenix, Edison, Edison, Zenith, Zenith. Okay, but make sure you always capitalize them. So what you're going to do in this exercise is you're going to underline the proper adjective. Make sure you make a dark underline. You can also circle if that's easier for you. And make sure you capitalize it. They are not going to have them capitalized in here because otherwise it would be really easy for you to find them. So you're going to capitalize it. Just circle the first letter or underline it 3 times. And in the space provided, you're going to write the adjective with the noun that it describes. And if you look back over here, and this were word were in a sentence, you would write Swiss cheese in the blank, or Mexican culture in the blank, or Chinese food in the blank. You're just looking for the proper adjective and the noun that it's describing. So remember, adjectives always come before the noun that they are describing. Okay guys, good luck on this. Remember, just do one page a day, and I'll see you tomorrow in our next video. Bye bye.